Hello everyone, my name is Gaurang and today I'm gonna unbox Portronics Pure Soundbar 2. Yeah, it's an amazing product. It's a Bluetooth speaker and now it also connects wired. So let's get started, and if you're new to this video, please like, share and subscribe this video and don't forget to press the bell icon. So let's get started. So this is the Portronics Pure Soundbar 2. As you can see, it is nicely boxed and now it is time to unbox. So now I'll just unbox it, as you can see. So first of all, I'll open this. So after many efforts, I've unboxed this Pure Soundbar 2. Whoa, it's a very cool soundbar, right? Whoa, and it also comes with an aux cable, as you can see here. So this was the foam here, so let us remove it off and let's move on to the topic. So after many efforts, I've unboxed this Pure Soundbar 2. Wow, it's pretty cool, right? And I think it connects with all devices. Alright, so now we have unboxed this Portronics Pure Soundbar 2. I've connected it to my TV, my smartphone and even my laptop. It works pretty good. So if you like this video, please give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe this video and even press the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my videos. Bye! Meet you next time!